get to the finish line? First, you go past the traffic cones. Then across the hot desert. And that's how you get to the finish line. So remember, cones, desert, finish line. Say it with me. Cones, desert, finish line. Cones, desert, finish line. Cones, desert, finish line. So you tell Dora, first you go to the cones.
Where do we go first? The cones, right. The traffic cones. You'll see the traffic cones. Yeah, there they are. See, ahí están. Now we're ready to help Benny finish the race. Let's go! Say it with us. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Come on, Vamonos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? Finish line. 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 Finish line.
Hey, there's Piggy. He stopped in the middle of the race. Maybe he needs help. Piggy, why did you stop?
Tengo hambre. I'm really hungry for an apple, but it's so high up. I'll never get the apple and be able to finish the race.
We can help you, Piggy. Then you can finish the race.
¿De veras? I like that. Great idea, Benny. Let's help